Hey there, it's Bootzone here. This is the Hotpoint first edition washing machine FEW12. It's done a couple of cycles under its own steam on a P cycle. That was a fast spin, and it got pretty beat up, as you can see just in that. But then at the very end, what happened was the front started to fall off. You can see the front started to flap up, and it broke the cord, the cable or the wire to the door interlock, and the machine actually cut itself off for safety. I was amazed. So I've completely bypassed everything, hot-wired the motor, it's ready to go, there's no ballast in it, it's barely hanging on, but it should spin up to full speed. So let's go for it. Sounds like we lost the belt. That's the peril of using a machine that's so dead. Such bad bearings. Okay, I've got the belt back on, but it's inclined to just keep jumping off. So I'm gonna try plugging it in. If it goes, it goes. We'll do it quickly. If it doesn't, that's it. This machine's cooked. Let's see. It's cooked. I think that's the end for this Hotpoint FEW12. Hit like, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you later.